Hey guys, Chung here. Have I got something very interesting to show you guys. This is the Zhiyun Smooth Q2. This is a premium built aluminium phone gimbal. This is a proper gimbal. This feels very sturdy in your hand. It has a nice silicone grip to give it a proper grip, but it's a proper aluminium build, reminiscent of the Smooth 3, but this is tiny. So this, I just grabbed it out of my pocket, so you saw how small it was. And also, yeah, this has all the modes that you need and directly can access. So it's standard on pan follow, then you can choose to go to the lock mode, full follow, POV, and also the vortex mode. So you don't have to access those through an app, you can directly get those modes. And also this thing lasts for 17 hours. And a great thing about this is you can also change the battery. So if you don't find 17 hours enough, you can buy some more. So let's put my phone onto the Smooth Q2. You might think this clamp is tiny. We can actually move it out like this. Put it onto here. Let's move it here onto the middle a little. And let's see if this clamp is holding it straight. Yes. So right now it's unbalanced. And this is not a problem on the Q2 because the Q2 motors are right now really strong. I can literally turn it on and it should go. Here we go. And another cool feature on the Q2 is I can here turn it on my phone, slide here, let's see, slide here for the normal camera app, and literally press this button, it starts recording. So that makes it much easier, so I don't really need to go and search for the ZY Play app or any other app and just directly start and stop recording. The gimbal head of the Smooth Q2 has changed. Right now it does not block the bottom of your phone, so you can actually plug in microphone, USB cable, or anything else, and this makes it much easier to use. And other thing is that right now we can also still use it as like your older gimbals, and this is very different to the foldable phone gimbals that is out there. This I can still do like a proper jib shot and also a slider shot that I am very used to. And one thing this phone gimbal can do what other phone gimbals can't is stand without a tripod. So one thing you might have noticed, there is no mode button on the body, but the joystick is also the mode button. If we press it once, it actually moves to the right, so it changes from one mode to the other. If we double press it, it now goes to the left, so it's also much more visible and much easier to know on which mode you are right now. And you don't have to remember those double press, triple presses on the mode button to go to a certain mode. It's now much more easier and much more user friendly. There's only one issue with this gimbal, that this back motor actually gets into the shot, especially if you have like an ultra wide angle lens or you add a lens to get a bigger, wider angle. But it's not a big issue because when we hold it like this, it don't get in the shot that easily. And it actually is more stable to hold like this than like this. One thing that I also don't like on the Smooth Q is the joystick that is actually one speed. So you can't really move it slowly, it's only just one speed. And also for the vortex mode, it makes it a little bit more difficult to stop it on the spot that you want. So having tried out different phone gimbals for the last several days, I have to say the Smooth Q2 is one that I preferred the most. Not only that it's so small, but also it can stand without needing a tripod, and also I can still use it as in the method that I'm very used to without having to try out really weird things to try and get a slider shot or a jib shot. So that was mainly it for the Smooth Q2. If you have any questions, please comment below, and if you want to see more upcoming videos, please hit the subscribe button here below, and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.